Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, welcome back. This will be again a very interesting problem based on quality inspection in a factory. Let's first read the problem and then we'll proceed further. A company has two grades of inspectors, 1 and 2, who are assigned for a quality control inspection. It requires at least 2000 pieces or 2000 units to be inspected per 8-hour day. So it is the basic benchmark or the standard they follow, that minimum 2000 pieces should be checked on a one single day of 8 hours. The grade 1 inspector can check pieces at the rate of 40 per hour with an accuracy of 97%. A grade 2 inspector checks at the rate of 30 pieces per hour with an accuracy of 95%. Wage rate of grade 1 inspector is 5 per hour, while that of grade 2 inspector is 4 per hour. An error made by the inspector costs rupees 3 to the company. So if there is an error, company will suffer a loss or a cost of 3 rupees. There are only 9 grade 1 inspectors and 11 grade 2 inspectors available in the company. The company wishes to assign work to the available inspectors so as to minimize the total cost of inspection. Formulate this problem as a linear programming model. So friends, this is again a very complicated case, quite logical. But when it comes to logic, students quite often fail to understand the basic logic behind the problem. So I have got here two types of inspectors, inspector 1 and inspector 2. I will first note down the table. So here comes our problem. We have got two grades, inspector, grade 1, grade 2. I'll put grade 1 here. I'll put grade 2 here. And then here I have got the one more column for grade 1. And so we have 9 grade 1 inspectors and 11 grade 2 inspectors. So I'll put up the supply 9 grade 1 inspectors and 11 grade 2 inspectors. This is the supply available. And then we are given the accuracy. Grade 1 inspector has an accuracy of 97%. Grade 2 का accuracy थोड़ा कम है, 95%. So here I will write down the accuracy 97% and 95%, and then we are also given the rates. Grade 1 inspector checks at the rate of 40 per hour and grade 2 30 pieces per hour. So that is the inspection rate. Grade 1 inspector checks 40 per hour and grade 2 inspector checks 30 pieces per hour. The wage rate for grade 1 inspector is 5 per hour and for grade 2 it is 4 per hour. We are also given the wages per hour. It is 5 rupees for grade 1 and 4 rupees for grade 2. So we are almost done with the basic table. I think we are not yet put down the cost of error. An error made by an inspector cost rupees to the company. It will be the cost. Let's note down the cost, error cost here. Rupees 3. And if I need to just formulate this as a linear problem, this is quite complicated. It looks easy, but then this is one of the most typical problem. Unlike other similar problems, there are a good number of new points, new calculations in this case, and we are not given anywhere whether we have to maximize or minimize the problem. Right now I have got the cost of inspection, that is the wages per hour. So our basic assumption will be that we need to minimize the cost, and that can be our basic assumption. And they have specified somewhere in the question so as to minimize the total cost. So our objective should be to minimize the cost. Now how that will be done exactly? What will be the cost? We'll try to minimize the cost per hour, and finally that will result into overall minimization of overall cost at the end of the day. I'll assume that we are hiring X1 grade 1 inspectors and X2 grade 2 inspectors. And because grade 1 inspectors have a 97% accuracy, means they have an error of 3%. For grade 2 we have accuracy of 95%, that means 5% chance of committing the error. Now this is the basic table. Now we'll note down the assumption first. Assumption: let X1 inspectors of grade 1 and X2 inspectors of grade 2 are hired. So this is my basic assumption, and I need to minimize. We need to minimize the cost. Now the cost here will be of two parts. First will be the cost of hiring the inspectors, and second will be the cost of error committed by those inspectors. We need to do that calculation first. For that I'll take a new page. Now we have two types of inspectors, grade 1 and grade 2. A grade 1 inspector has a speed of 40 inspections per hour. Grade 2 has a speed of 30 inspections per hour. This was the inspection rate that was tabulated by us, 40 and 30. Now grade 1 inspector has an accuracy of 97%. That means if he is inspecting 40 pieces, 97% he will accurately inspect. Remaining 3% there will be an error. So I'll multiply this with the error percentage, which comes to 1.2 errors. So these are the number of errors per hour for grade 1. In case of grade 2, there is an accuracy of 95%, which means 5% chances of error. So multiplied by 5%, which comes to 1.5. And what is my cost of error? In this case it will be 1.2 multiplied by 3 rupees per error, which comes to 3.6 rupees. In second case it will be 1.5 rupees, 1.5 errors multiplied by 3 rupees per error, it will be 4.5 rupees. So this is my error cost per hour plus how much wages we are going to pay. The wage rate is 5 rupees for grade 1 and 4 rupees for grade 2. So 5 rupees and 4 rupees for grade 2, which comes to 8.6 rupees per hour and 8.5 rupees per hour. These are my basic calculations for the cost per hour I'm going to incur on each of the worker. The next thing will be again minimizing the cost. For grade 1 the cost incurred is 8.6 for 1 hour of grade 1 inspector. So 8.6 multiplied by x1 plus 8.5 into x2. This was the first part, cost per kg. In the third line we are given it is required at least 2000 pieces be inspected per 8 hour a day. So we have done the calculations. This was our calculation, the first one. For grade 1 inspector, 40 inspections multiplied by 3% error, 1.2 errors per hour multiplied by 3 rupees, which comes to 3.6 rupees per hour. And wages we are paying 5 rupees per hour. Similarly for grade 2 we had 30 inspections multiplied by 5% errors, that is 1.5, multiplied by 3, 4.5 rupees per hour the error cost, and 4 rupees per hour is the wages paid. So this was the 8.6 rupees per hour and 8.5 rupees per hour. Now we are given in the problem that there are 8 hours per day is the working hours. So we need to calculate the total cost per day for each inspector. So for that I will multiply this with 8 hours and I will multiply this by 8 hours, which will give me the cost per day rather than the cost per hour. So this is my cost per day, cost per day. It will be, in the first case it will be 8.6 into 8 hours per day, which comes to 68.8 rupees. In case of grade 2 it will be 8.5 into 8, exactly 68 rupees per day. Now instead of minimizing the cost per hour, we will minimize the cost per day. So we'll just make a minor change in our objective function. It will be cost per day. I'll just note down in my original table. This is my cost per day. For grade 1 it is 68.8. And for grade 2 it is 68 rupees. And now we have made an assumption of x1 and x2, the number of inspectors of grade 1 and grade 2. So it will be 68.8 into x1 plus 68 into x2. So instead of minimizing the cost per hour, we are minimizing the cost per day. So my objective function will change minorly. It will be 68.8 x1, 68.8 into x1 plus 68 into x2 plus 68 into x2, subject to, what are my constraints? My number of inspectors of grade 1 is 9 and grade 2 it is 11. So x1 can't be more than 9 x2 can't be more than 11. So first x1 less than equals to 9, x2 less than equal to 11. These are my first two constraints. Next will be my constraint on inspection. We are given the problem that we need to inspect at least 2000 pieces in 8 hours working day. So my inspection should be at least 2000 pieces. So it will be 40x1 plus 30x2. 40x1 plus 30x2. Since it is at least, it should be more than or equal to 2000. So I have a constraint on number of inspections. I have a constraint on number of inspectors of grade 1 and grade 2. And then we will write the final, that is non-negativity constraints, that is x1 more than equals to 0, x2 more than equals to 0. And so we are done with the problem. Thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe to our channel Ekeeda.